How to view customer transaction details in AAAPOS RetailManager. AAAPOS RetailManager maintains a detailed record of transactions made by each customer, including purchases, credit history, invoices and invoice payments, lay-by sales and payments, customer special orders, sales orders and quotes, sales order deposits and payments, and contact group information. To view customer transaction details, go to the Information menu and choose Customer, or press Ctrl+U. The Customer window appears. Enter the customer's number in the Customer field, or type their name, and press Enter. The customer's details are filled in. In addition to the General and Information tab, which is described in How to create a customer record in AAAPOS RetailManager. The Customer window displays the purchases, credit, invoices, invoice payment, laybys, lay-by payment, customer special order, sales order and quotes, sales order deposits and payments, and customer contact groups. At any point, you can select any transaction in the grid to view the detailed transaction information for that customer. You also have options to view the price, with tax inclusive or tax exclusive. You can also view transactions for a customer in the lookup window, where you can enter a date range, a product, etc. Just go to Lookup found under the Tools menu for more information.